Hi, I'm Jarrett of Stone Soup Farm, and this is how to grow peppers. Peppers are a very diverse group of plants. There's all sorts of peppers in the world: bell peppers, sweet peppers, chili peppers, pimento peppers, and it's really worth giving all of them a shot. They're all very different and have very different flavors. The best way to grow them is to start off with a well-prepared seed bed like this. Hopefully nice and deeply tilled, plenty of compost or manure, and clean of any weeds. Peppers are usually need between about 9 to 18 inches of space depending on the type. Bell peppers requiring the most, they're the biggest plants, and some of the chili peppers and pimientos are the smallest, requiring only